Zan with the gang. I hope y'all had a great New Year's. I hope y'all having a blessed day. Today I'm going to chart the monster GC Gold, the big body. Well, it's not really a big body to me because I know the secret to gold. So today I'm going to show you guys how to chart it and get right on these markets. You know what I'm saying? So y'all know me, Smiley ain't gonna bullshit y'all. Let's get straight to the charts. Boom. This up to the last video. Didn't want to see my tool, so let's get to GC. So GC is a lot different from YM and Nasdaq. Like a lot of people said, oh, gold is sporadic. It does this, it does that, it moves too fast. But really and truly, they just don't understand the numbers when it comes to trading, how the points move, how it calculates. So gold is totally different. So when it comes to gold, I will have mine between the 100 range, not the 1,000, the 100 range. Cause it's not like Nasdaq and gold to where they have like 28,000 or 40,000, whatever they have right now. But they have bigger numbers than gold, so the point system is totally different. So my mic cut off again, bruh. So I was saying that I like consolidation because it's kind of like free money to me because it's always bounced between a range. It could be 250 points, it could be 500 points, it could be 1,000 points. You just gotta understand the range, but you also get messed up. Free money to me. But if you mess up and it goes out your way, you smoke. But hey, that's why we have risk management and we don't mess up. So boom, that's what we have between now. See the consolidation. Bounce between 400 and 300. They don't know where I want to go at. They don't know if it's going to go past 4,500 to make the way to 5,000 or is it going to break through 4,300 to make way to 4,250 because that is the bank number. But since we trading gold, the bank numbers is kind of different. They're the same, but they're different because 250 is still a major zone like 4,250. But since we trading gold, 400 to 300 is a 1,000 pip range, a point range. Compared to gold or GC, it'd be 1,000 would be 1,000 point range. Same with the boxes, 5 points away. So 5 points away on gold is literally 50 points away is literally 5 points away. P05. Boom. And you could put the mid zone at 4,350. That's where it's at right now. So I'm telling you, price action is key. You see where it's at right now. You see where it fell from. So that's a 500 point drop right there. Easy money in one day. But gold move like that any day. So that's why people scared of it. So you just gotta be on point. Don't be getting in no man's land. We don't get in no man's land. What I told y'all, the white is no man's land. We don't want to get in around it unless you more advanced and you know a little bit about the market and how it structures and how it moves, then hey, you can get in. But if you don't get in no man's land unless you get in like at a Fibonacci number or at a what is called at a mid zone level like the 75 or the 25. So this would be I look on gold. I'm trading gold. because gold is a lot different from Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Once again, like this right here, this move. I'm gonna do something like this. Wonderful, perfect. Like pop back on the three, something like that. But boom. That right there is 25, 250 points in gold terms. And let's say, go to one of these right quick. And YM from 500 to 250 is the 250 point range between that. So that's why it's a huge difference between gold and Nasdaq and YM because they move totally different. These are in the 25s. Basically, they're in the five figures and gold is in the four figures. So gold is different, like it's offset. So don't let gold scare you at all. Don't let it scare you. This matter of fact, think about it being 44,072 because the point two is basically like the end number. That's basically what it is. Mm, so that's really all I got for gold. That's the main thing. Like don't let it scare you. Don't let it scare you. Cause this drop right here, this like I said, white no man's land. White no man's land. It could break through this 75. Cause that's not really important. The 50 be important and the whole number. These be important too, cause you can see like the 25 right here got rejected, but that's the only time you will get in. Like if you see it hit something like this, but don't get in no man's land. That's a killer, a killer. Especially if you don't know what you're doing, it'll kill you. That thing you want to break and retest right here, but it never touched here, and just went straight up. Are you trying to sell down to this zone, and it just kept going straight up on you, cause you're in no man's land? Nah, just wait, just wait. Green gold most likely starting as soon as the day start gold moving. So if you see this, set your alert, boom, get in and just ride it until it hit the next zone. You can get out at the 25 zone, 250 points, or get out at 500 points, depending on how the trading is. Gold it moves about 500 points a day, probably more than that. Cause this from here, 500 on down, that's a thousand. That's really 1,000 points if you caught both ends. But don't be greedy in the market. Don't try to get both sides. Like it can happen sometimes. You can do it sometimes, but don't get into the habit of thinking that you can get it up and then catch it down because one day you're gonna over leverage and your account gonna get smoked and you're gonna be mad. So don't do it. Don't do it. So just take your money. If you screenshot it, take it. I always say that because once you screenshot, it's probably gonna reverse on you because you already made the maximum profit on that trade at that point. So if you screenshot it, take it. But yeah, man, that's all I got for right now. Peace and love. I hope y'all do good. I hope y'all have a blessed day, blessed year. And I hope everybody get this money on. Let's get it.